And the rough early lead is taken by Princess Atiana from the outside to Infinity and Beyond by the rail in second. And running in third is Sydney Boy, and that's entry number 8. It's Princess Atiana on the outside, followed by To Infinity and Beyond in second, and Sydney Boy running in third. Take the Crown running in fourth, Umbrella Girl, and Blush of Rose moving up on the outside, Ni Hao, Mr. Universe. And rounding the fourth turn, it's Princess Atiana in the lead, followed by To Infinity and Beyond in second. And running in third is Sydney Boy. Take the Crown running in fourth, and Blush of Rose running in fifth, Ni Hao, Umbrella Girl on the outside. And at the last bend for home, it is still Princess Atiana in the lead, followed by Sydney Boy on the outside, To Infinity and Beyond in between horses. Moving up on the inside is Take the Crown. But it's still Princess Atiana in the lead, followed by Sydney Boy on the outside, To Infinity and Beyond on the farther outside, and Take the Crown by the rail. Moving up the farther outside, Ni Hao. And hitting the payoff line, it's still Princess Atiana. And finally, it's Princess Atiana, Ni Hao, To Infinity and Beyond, Sydney Boy, Take the Crown, Umbrella Girl, Mr. Universe, Blush of Rose, and Hail Praises.